Welcome back. I'm Cole, and this is Test Your Metal. So today, actually yesterday, is week 5 for the puppies. I'm sure you can hear them all going nuts. So what we're going to do is show the little cleaning routine we do, and then we'll get them weighed. But, man, they're doing great. They are wandering around like crazy. They're a lot more vocal. They whine like crazy. This is little light blue collar. We're calling him Poncho. This is one of the ones, the one we're probably going to keep. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and get set up and get started. Okay, so to start, we're going to get all the pups and move them over here. You can hold that if you like. Alright guys, this will be a little noisy because I'll be whining, so I cut out the audio. Let's start with number 1. Let's see what. Yeah, we may have to get different. They're way too big. But, alright, let's get stand by. Alright, let's try this again. Give him help. 5 pounds, 8 ounces. It's a big boy. I'm gonna have to hog time, lay down. 5'10"? Yes.
5'4". 4'8".
4 pounds, 8 ounces. Alright, let's not slow down. 5. Yeah, it's getting harder and harder to weigh these things. 5'1".
He's growing.
Okay. The big ones look so gigantic.
Gosh.
6.
Almost. I think it's 5'15" when it was like still. Yeah, 5'15". He's almost 1.5 pounds bigger than Mr. Lightfoot.
Red. He's gaining weight.
5'1".
415.
So Mr. Lightfoot's are only 4.
The girls are mean.
I know. Dot was tearing up my ankle a second ago. I had to grab her because it hurt.
You guys, stop. You need to cut their nails. Come here, little guy. You do seem small. This is the one we're planning to keep. And he's a little adventurer.
I didn't tell you, but I brought him to the kitchen with him and my mom. We were just cleaning the dishes and he tried to climb over the barricade I built to the living room.
Looks like it said 15 for a second. No.
4'8".
4'8". Wow. Alright, you guys are crazy. So as of right now, All but one puppy is sold. That's Pink Collar, female number 1. She is a cutie. She's the one we called Arrow when she was born. But yeah, if you're interested in an amazing puppy, I don't think they'll last much longer. I think they'll be sold by the end of the week. There we go, guys. Week 5. Puppies are kind of crazy. My legs are scratched up. Got the area cleaned. Got them weighed. They're doing great. The one we're keeping, he's, in my opinion, got one of the coolest personalities, mentalities. He's always, when you walk in the room, he's the first one there, just kind of checking it out, seeing what you're doing. But he's also the smallest, which is interesting. And he's the darkest, so they're all doing good. All of them, but female number 1 is sold. We've got deposits down for all the puppies. Anything else? Yeah, they've got their teeth in. They've really got a lot of personality. We want to get them outside, but it's been pouring rain and just muddy, mucky, cold mess. But I think this weekend we'll get them outside and let them start adventuring around, which will be a lot of fun. But anyways, we'll let them settle down. They're pretty riled up right now. They've got a clean pen and clean bedding, and we'll send Mama in here to hang out with them for a bit. That's it. Week 5. Puppy's doing great. Thanks for stopping by. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel. After these puppies are gone, we're gonna start doing some cool projects. I want to finish the trailer. I need to get an axle for that so we can finish, but sorry. You guys are probably getting your eardrums blown out. But anyways, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you guys soon.